Hi everyone, it's Tereese. I'm back with another video, and today I'm here to share hashtag Deck the Year, hosted by Penny over at Penny's Crafty Creations. This is week 29. I had to film this over because I said week 28. Anyway, this is week 29. I am altering a playing card. I'm trying to just keep it to index cards and playing cards this year. I think next year I might just do playing cards because it's smaller, it's quicker, and maybe during the busy season I can still participate. So we'll see. I did not do anything this year. I was just too tired. It was just too much. So I'm back creating, I'm back crafting. It's wonderful. The feeling is wonderful. And where did my sticky thing? Where's my little? I need to make a charm for my glue bottle. Anyway, so here is my altar playing card, and what I did, I just laid down some book pages, several different types of pattern paper. Here's a pink stripe pattern paper. This is a digital that I have in my stash. I don't remember who or where I got it from, but it has all these numbers and things. I added this really cool gold tool that I had in my stash here. I have a little snippet of it, and I added it to the background. I even used my tiny attacher to attach it to the paper. I did glue it down, but you can't see the glue. Um, so I used the tiny attacher here. I think there's one behind here and then one up here somewhere. Oh, I don't even know where it is. It's how good it's covered. I must have covered it with my wood veneer here. I used some of the oh gosh, it's from a spiral bound book, and it tore the pages out. So I have a whole bunch of these little strips I'm trying to use up. I added this bow. This bow came from an ephemeral pack. I can't remember which one. Here's a little wood veneer that I found in one of my containers, and that is my altered playing card. I love all the layers, and each layer I inked with some vintage photo and walnut stain distress ink. Even the word here. Yeah, I just love how this one turned out. I love all the different layers and the textures and, this wood piece just as a focal. So yeah, that is my altar playing card for hashtag Deck the Year. Go and check out everybody in that hashtag. There's so many talented ladies and gents, I think. But go and check out Penny. She has a lot of content, a lot of creativity, and yeah. So thanks everybody for watching my videos and commenting. I so appreciate it. I read them all, and sometimes I don't always respond right away, but do know that I read them all and I so appreciate it. So thanks everybody for watching. Have a great week, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye everyone.